If you're interested in trying Azure, there's an opportunity to get a free trial right from Azure.com, so you can go out there and actually test various things. So let's take a look at what the free trial actually offers us. If you go to Azure.com, it'll bring you to their homepage. And then if you look in the upper right-hand corner there, you'll actually see the big green button that says Free Account. If you go click on the Free Account button, that'll open up and take you to a page where you can actually start setting up and configuring for yourself a free trial. Now, I do want to note here a couple of things. First, the free trial is going to give you a 60-day $200 credit that you can spend on anything you want in Azure. So if you wanted to go try something that was going to cost money, here's an opportunity to get a free trial of it without having to invest any. In addition to that, there are going to be a lot of additional resources that you can actually use for a full year that aren't going to be deducted out of that $200 credit, as well as some other resources that are actually going to be available to you for free forever. So let's take a look at what some of those resources actually are. Go in here, we can see that first off, I'll get over 750 hours of free general purpose virtual machines for B1S machines, which are batch 1S machines in our environment. You can see you also get Linux machines, storage capabilities, you get some bandwidth for some outbound capabilities as well there, all for 12 months. And then if you scroll down a little bit further in the list, you're going to see a lot of free services that will remain free always. So you don't have to pay for these things with your free trial. You have the ability to go out there and use them. Now, I will say this, when you go to set up your free trial, a lot of people get to the point to set it up, and then it says, okay, now enter your credit card. And people immediately are, oh, okay, so this is going to be one of those free trials where I have to go put in my credit card, and if I don't cancel, they'll start charging me. Not at all. Not at all. In this instance, you pay absolutely nothing. The credit card is simply for identification purposes to verify that you're an actual person as opposed to a bot trying to go out there and set up a whole bunch of different free accounts in the environment. So it's going to go out there just for that verification. And in fact, if I were running, say, a virtual machine, and that virtual machine was eating up some of my credits, and I was running out of my credits, the virtual machine, when it hit the $200 cap, would just stop. And I would actually have to go in to my subscription and say, yes, Microsoft, please charge my credit card before that service would be available to me. So if you want to set up the free trial, all you're going to have to do is go and click on Start Free. Now on the next page, you will log in with an account. You'll go out there, you'll want to set up an account that you have, or go out there and create a new account that is a Microsoft account, right? So it's going to be a live ID. Maybe you have an Office 365 account that you want to use, something that Microsoft can authenticate you. And if you don't have one, you could go and create one right here. After you create the account, they'll send you a confirmation code, and you'll be able to start using Azure with your free $200 credit, as well as 12 months worth of other services and a lifetime of free services using the Azure free trial.